Master self-discipline in 10 days. You are not lazy, you are undisciplined, and that is a choice. What if I told you that in just 10 days you could rebuild your mind, beat procrastination, and become unrecognizable to the old you? This is not motivation, this is war. 10 days, 10 rules, 1 mission. Rebuild your discipline and take control of your life. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Day 1. Eliminate comfort. Delete the apps, clean your space, cut the dopamine. Comfort is the enemy. Discipline begins when you force yourself into discomfort. Day 2. The wake up war. Set your alarm, no snooze, no excuses. Wake up and win the first battle of your day. Champions rise before the world even blinks. Day 3. Cold shower challenge. Cool, brutal, necessary every second your body wants to quiet. You fight. This is not hygiene, it is mental warfare. Day 4. Lock the mind. Today, no distractions, no phone scrolling. 3 hours of deep work. When the world is silent, your mind becomes your weapon. Day 5. Say no to easy. Say no to sugar, laziness, gossip, and complaining every time you say no to weakness. When you say no to the weakness, your discipline grows. Day 6. Mission lock. Write down one goal, not 5, just one. Obsess over it. Morning to night, every decision must serve that one mission. Day 7. Embrace pain. Discipline is not about feeling good, it is about showing up when you feel broken. Because pain builds power, lean into it. Day 8. No 0 days. What does it mean? Even if it is one push up, one paragraph, or one call, never let a day go by with zero effort. Progress compounds. Now, day 9. Mind repetition. Repeat your mission 20 times aloud, every morning, every night. Drill it. Reprogram your subconscious. Now, the last day. Day 10. Reflection and reset. Look at yourself. You have changed. Now ask, why stop here? The new version of you has no limits. Remember it. When you become the new version of you, then you will have no limits. These 10 days was just the beginning. So if you felt a shift, subscribe, because this is where boys become warriors and discipline becomes destiny. So subscribe, hit the bell icon. Take care. See you in the next video.